Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn fraction equivalence together, step by step. Equivalent fractions are different fractions that show the same amount. 1/2 and 2/4 cover exactly the same part of a bar. They look different, but they are equal. To make an equivalent fraction, multiply the top and the bottom by the same number. 1/2 times 2 over 2 gives 2/4. Multiplying by the same number keeps the value unchanged. You can also divide the top and bottom by the same number to make a fraction simpler. 4/8 divided by 4 over 4 becomes 1/2. 1/2 is the simplest form of 4/8. Let's check if 3/4 equals 6/8. 3 times 2 is 6, and 4 times 2 is 8. Since we multiplied both by 2, 3/4 and 6/8 are equivalent. To find equivalent fractions, multiply or divide the top and bottom by the same number. The value stays the same even though the numbers change. Drawing the bars is a great way to check your work. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at uscoreacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.